Let's talk about Stalker, a Vulkan error fix. To unsupported error in a simple and calm way, we'll go step by step.
But don't despair for a second. We've delved deep into the anomalies of this bug, gathering all the solutions to conquer this elusive Vulkan error. Get ready to troubleshoot. Optimize your system, and finally immerse yourself in the chilling world of Stalker as it was always meant to be played. Often the simplest solution is the most overlooked. Your graphics card drivers are the bridge between your hardware and the game, and outdated ones are a common culprit for Vulkan errors. Make sure you head to NVIDIA or AN's official websites and download the absolute latest stable drivers for your specific pool. A clean install is always recommended to avoid any lingering conflicts from older versions. Next up, we need to ensure your system has the correct Vulkan runtime installed and that your game files are pressed in. First, check your Windows updates as essential Vulkan components often ride along with them. Then jump into your game launcher, whether it's Steam, Epic, or another, and use the Verify Game Files function. This crucial step ensures no corrupted or missing game data is causing this dreaded to unsupported message.
Sometimes the error can be triggered by specific in-game settings or how the game is launched. If you can even get into the game's menu, try lowering graphical settings or switching rendering up this. If Stalker offers that option for Steam users, right-click the game, go to Properties, and try adding launch options like Excel or Vulkan to explicitly tell the game which API to use. Experimenting here might just bypass the error entirely.
If you're still facing issues, it's time for some deeper dives and to tap into the collective wisdom of the community. Consider uninstalling your drivers completely with a tool like Do before performing a fresh install, as this cleans out even more stubborn files. Also check Stalker forums or Reddit. Often specific hardware configurations or niche software conflicts are already being discussed. Don't hesitate to report your issue to the developers with detailed system specs. Every report helps them pinpoint and patch these critical errors.